Struggling with depression, I found solace in nature. Each morning, I forced myself to step outside, even if just for a short walk. The fresh air and sunlight became my daily therapy. I started noticing small wonders. A bird's song, the rustle of leaves. These moments grounded me, offering peace and clarity. Over time, my mood lifted, and I felt more connected to the world around me. Embracing outdoor activities transformed my mental health. If you're feeling low, try stepping outside. Nature's embrace might be the comfort you need. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.